Hare Krishna friends, today I am going to tell you a story. I Can Be Fair by David Barker and retold by Darsh. Being fair is sometimes hard to do. I can be fair and share with my friends. I can be fair and let someone else choose first. I can be fair and clean up my mess. Being fair is sometimes hard to do. I can be fair and take turns when I play. I can be fair and tell the truth. I can be fair and sometimes go last. Being fair is sometimes hard to do. I can be fair and make two equal teams. I can be fair and not always get my way. I can be fair and not leave anyone out. Being fair is sometimes hard to do, but being fair helps people get along. What will you do to be fair today? Thanks for watching. Follow for more videos. Hare Krishna.